Hello everyone, it's Thomas. Welcome back. Thank you. Have you come back? So we have this dashboard, this thing that you can see here. This is on a display in our house. If you've watched the video about when I broke the screen, but it's still there and it's still working. I've recently just added some code to pop up about new updates. So you can see here that at 4:20, Mandy's going to hospital. I want that to be a big alert to tell me that we need to do something about it. Do you know what I mean? We need to take action on the event. So this is the code. The code's all in GitHub. So let me show you what I've changed. So I've uploaded this icon. This is going to be my alert icon. I made this using the TDS animation alert app. Not animation alert app, animation app icon. It's just essentially supposed to be an iOS app icon, but I thought it's quite good. Let's have a look. So in the index, within the what is the calendar body, the calendar wrapper. So within the calendar wrapper, we've got this new event pop-up, which is this bit of code here. If we format this nicer, a little nicer. Event pop-up, which says if upcoming events. If the upcoming event is not nil, then we're going to show it. Show the image, show a class of the title, and show a little description. We've got some styling for that. That's this bit. The styling essentially says it's fixed in the center, and it's big, and it's bold, and it's white, and it's right at the front. We add a bit of an opacity to the background so it makes it easier to see. Set the size of the logo, make it big, bold, give it rounded corners, make it look quite nice. Event title, event description, blah, blah, blah. If you come over here to the calendar, we've added these two new keys, updated event and event logo. The updated event is the new event that's about to take place within, say, the next 5 minutes, and the event logo is whatever logo you want, which would be that nice icon I've just made. In the mounting, we're adding a timer interval that runs every 30 seconds. Every 30 seconds, it's going to check for new events. I might make this less often, but then it's going to clear up events, clear up that pop-up when it's done. So what's happening down here? So down here, when we're done, we're going to call check for events. So check for events is this function here, which looks at the events for today and asks upcoming events to get what are the upcoming events within the next 30 minutes I've gone for. I picked 30 minutes. I originally had 5. I've gone to 30. And for the purposes of this video, we're going to change it to 300 so we see that event pop up. This event is then checking it's not an all-day event, and the event has a start date. Then we're going to show it as a pop-up. Otherwise, return nil. Otherwise, return there's no event happening. Return the event. Then check for then we come back here, we come back to the check for upcoming events, and if there is an event, we set the upcoming event, and then we set it to disappear after about 20 seconds or so. Else we still just set it to nil. We don't really need to do that. But I'll delete that. Let me show you. So if I reload this page, you see the calendar's loaded all the events, loaded all the data from the APIs and stuff like that. If we wait a minute in the console, we'll see that it checks for the events. So it'll do this within the next 30 seconds, and then we should get the event to pop up. I'll continue to explain it. So what you got here, you got weather. You got where the calendar data is coming from. Currently today's events, the calendar as it is, and then what we're calling our house tasks. This is coming from TDS reporting. Here you go, perfect. It checked for the events. It shows it in a nice UI, big, bold, obvious. Everybody's going to notice it. It'll kind of flash on and off coming up to the events so that you can see that it's there and that it's coming up. But you can still see the data behind it, which I think is key. But yeah, I hope you found this one interesting. This is just me talking about something I've been building. People might be interested. If you want to implement this in your own house, the code is in the GitHub. Not all of it, like the calendar list and stuff, is in the GitHub, but most of it's there and you can probably work it out. It's just pulling from iCal at the moment, so yeah, enjoy.